Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you garden decor ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today videos. So friends, whether you have a large backyard, a small garden, or a tiny outdoor corner, the right decoration can make your space feel special and welcome. So let's explore some inspiring garden decor ideas. A beautiful garden start with a welcome entrance, decorative garden gate, flooring, arch, and charming pathway create a warm first impression. Stone path, grave walkway, and a gravel tires garden. This thought the garden will adding beauty. One of the easiest way to decorate a garden with flower. Colorful flower beads instantly bright outdoor space, mixing different flower height, shape, colors create a rich and natural look. Seasonal flower keep the garden attractive throughout the year. And friends, outdoor sitting area, making garden more enjoyable. A simple bench under a tree can become a peaceful place to relax. Comfortable chair, garden wing, and cozy outdoor sofas creating inviting space for family and friends. My next idea is weavers. Solar lights along pathway prove both beauty and safety. String light hanging above seating areas create a magical atmosphere during evening. Lantern and decorative lamp and warm and charm. And friends, viewers, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah, please see you in the next video.